Learn English. Welcome to English 8K. We learn 2 words every day and write them on paper flashcards. Today is Saturday, April 19th. Here are the 2 words we will learn today. Bob works at a hospital. He is a... Correct. And number 2, there is a book on the table. Number 1, please listen and write this in your notebook. Are you a nurse? Are you a nurse? Nurse. A person that works in a hospital, but not a doctor. Now we can make a flashcard for nurse. Please write nurse up here in the top left corner. N-U-R-S-E. Down in this corner, P-E-O, 1. This means people, level 1. Over here, the number 45 out of 78. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Nurse. Number 2, please listen and write this in your notebook. There is a book on the chair. There is a book on the chair. There is. There is a book on the chair. This means a book exists on the chair. You can pick it up and touch it. Now we can make a flashcard for there. For 2 or more, we say there are 2 books on the chair. There also means a place far away from you. Here and there. Bob will go there tomorrow, for example. So there has 2 meanings. Please make a card like this. There is a book on the table and here, there. Down here in this corner, GW1. This means grammar, word, level 1. Over here, the number 107 out of 135. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. There. There. Game over. You did very well today. I work at a hospital, but I'm not a doctor. I am a nurse. Correct. Number 2, there is a book on the table. Also, here and there, a place away from you. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words. Can you say number 1? Process. Yes, kind of a difficult word. Please check your dictionary. Number 2, Jennifer has a lot of money. She is rich. Correct. Number 3, please repeat, to do something. The day before yesterday. Yeah, that means 2 days ago. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.